Music. Looking for an easy and affordable car rental? This video reviews Easirent. Find helpful links in the description below. UK-based Easirent specializes in budget-friendly car rentals at major airports and city locations. Perfect for travelers seeking lower rates without the overhead of larger companies, Easirent offers competitive pricing, especially for short-term rentals. With a wide network across the UK, Ireland, and parts of the US, finding a convenient pickup location is simple. Enter your location, dates, and preferred vehicle type, from compact cars to SUVs and vans, to browse available options. Easirent also offers add-ons like GPS, insurance upgrades, and unlimited mileage. Ideal for budget travelers, business professionals, or tourists seeking affordable transport, Easirent bypasses the big-name agencies. Be aware that many Easirent locations are off-site, requiring a shuttle. Also, their low base rates often come with optional add-ons, so carefully review the terms. While some users report great savings and smooth rentals, others mention issues with deposits, insurance, and availability. For the best experience, read the terms, understand fuel policies, and ensure proper documentation. If you're seeking an affordable rental and willing to plan, Easirent can be a cost-effective choice. Check the description for links and current offers.